Alright, so in this video I'm gonna expose exactly how much money I made my first month of being monetized on YouTube. So I got monetized on YouTube in just 50 days. And according to statistics, that is really fast. March 2023 was the first month where I was making money from YouTube every single day. So if you want to know how much YouTube paid me my first month with just 5,000 subscribers, and also how I got monetized in just 50 days, stay with me for 5 minutes as I'm gonna reveal it all. I've always been curious about how much money YouTubers actually make. I have watched countless of videos made by creators with millions of subscribers, racking in millions of dollars each year. And as a result, I had no idea what to expect when I started my own YouTube channel. So I decided to share all my stats and numbers with you in this video. I found it really surprising that not a lot of small YouTubers actually do this, especially those in a business/finance niche. However, I really want to be real and transparent with you guys. So as you can see, this channel was started on January 1st, 2023. So I started posting some videos around what I was doing and what I actually knew at that time. I grew my Instagram page pretty successfully to over 160,000 followers, so I started sharing Instagram growth tips. But I hardly saw any real traction in my first month. But second month, this is where the things started to pick up. So I started posting way more consistently, at least 2 videos per week, and one of my videos started being recommended in the algorithm and started racking in the views. However, you actually need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours to get monetized on YouTube. And it's definitely not an easy task. Actually, what I found out is that reaching your first 1,000 subscribers, it's much more easier than hitting 4,000 watch time hours. But I kept uploading more and more videos, and at the start of March 2023, I hit my monetization requirements and got accepted to YouTube Partners program. Right off the bat, I went on and I turned on monetization for all of my videos, thinking now I'm gonna become rich as PewDiePie or Mr. Beast.
Since you were the first one to deliver the pizza, here's $10,000 in cash.
However, this is not what happened. Next day I woke up and I saw that I made $2. So before I show you how much money I made in March, there are a few things you have to understand before you start your YouTube channel. And if you make this mistake, it's gonna be really hard to go back and fix it. And that is that some niches on YouTube is going to earn significantly more money than other niches. And before I get into which niches pay the most and which niches to avoid, you have to understand that if you're gonna pick a wrong niche, you're constantly gonna be fighting an uphill battle. Because if you pick the niche that pays really well, you can make 10 times more money with the same amount of views as someone who picked a niche that doesn't pay that well. So niches like personal finance, investing, tech, real estate, social media marketing, sales, and any other niche that attracts high quality audience will generally pay you much more compared to a niche like entertainment, vlogs, pranks, etc. Sometimes these high-end niches can pay you from $20 to $30 per 1,000 views, when these low-end niches pay from $1 to $3 per 1,000 views. So as you can see, there's literally 10x difference between how much you're gonna make if you pick the right niche. So when picking your niche, make sure you pick it wisely. Of course, don't pick a niche just based on how much money you're gonna make, because you can generally make money in any niche. But also think about it, because when it comes to the point where you want to start producing more high quality content, you really want to be rewarded for the work you are doing. Alright, so it's time to reveal how much money I made for my first month being monetized on YouTube. So just from the YouTube AdSense alone, I managed to make $792. I know it's nothing crazy, but considering the fact that it was only my first month, it's still really great. And thank you so much to all of you who watched my videos, because honestly, you are the ones who made this possible. At this point of the video, you're probably thinking, okay, that's cool, you got lucky, but actually I do believe that is the perfect time right now for you to get on YouTube as well. And here's why I think YouTube is the best platform for you to get started. And it's definitely not too late for you to get on YouTube as well. I mean, take me for example. 4 months ago, this channel have not even existed yet. So if you're willing to work smart, be consistent, and put a lot of work in your videos, you can for sure grow on YouTube. And it's the best platform because YouTube is literally a digital real estate. When you post content on YouTube, it can be watched years from now. YouTube will keep recommending your videos for years to come. Your videos also do rank in the search engine. So when you make more and more videos, it will compound over time, and those videos gonna have much longer life lifetime. That is the reason why creators like Nate O'Brien are making passive income every single day from the work he did years ago. His videos are still ranking in the YouTube search engine, being recommended, and he still keeps getting views every single day. So for any creator out here starting out, I would highly encourage you to get on YouTube. And that is not only because you can make money directly from your views, but also you can start selling your own products, do affiliate marketing, get brand deals, etc. $792 that I showed you was just a chunk of change compared to how much money I've made via other income streams because of this YouTube channel. YouTube is literally the best platform for you to build trust and authority with your audience. If you want to sell a product or a service, there's literally no better platform that builds that much trust. Because when people spend 8 to 12 minutes watching you on the video, they're much more likely to spend money with you on your product or a service. So another stream that made me money indirectly was affiliate marketing. And I managed to make over $420 by being a Adobe Creative Cloud affiliate. On some of my videos, I showed how I edit content for my Instagram, and I had an affiliate link in that video, which made me some great extra income, not gonna lie. Now, the income stream that made me the most money was selling my own digital products. Currently, I have 3 digital products, one of which is the Notion template called the Clarity Journal. It helps you to set the right and clear goals for yourself and a plan to actually achieve them. And this Notion template till this day made me a little bit over $1,000. Another digital product that I have is called Dark Aesthetic Preset, which you can use on your videos to make them look better. This made me over $1,000 till this day. And the last thing that made me over $20,000 profit till this day is my program called the Creator Accelerator. This is essentially where I teach people how to grow an audience on Instagram and make full-time living as a creator, which majority of this course sales actually came in from YouTube videos. So even though I have a large following on Instagram, I can tell you that YouTube converts much better. And that is the reason why I'm gonna be updating my course really soon with YouTube Leverage module, where I'm gonna show people step by step how to launch your very own YouTube channel and get it monetized in less than 60 days. I'm gonna show how to pick a niche, which niches do have the highest CPM, aka earn the most money, how to edit videos for the highest engagement, how to make good thumbnails, and much more. If you're interested more about that, check out the links that I have in my description or in the first pinned comment under this video. Other than that, guys, if you want to know how to grow your Instagram following as well, look no further, because this video is gonna be an ultimate guide for you to grow your Instagram following in 2023. So click here to see it for yourself. Thank you so much for watching.